Ever thought about creating your own peaceful bedroom retreat? A place for beautiful crafted pieces, each one calling out your name. Say goodbye to each store-bought items. I am James, and today we are exploring the must-have tools that will turn you from a furniture enthusiast to a master of painting bedrooms. First up, we have the power drill. This versatile tool is perfect for making holes and driving screws. When making furniture, it's often used to assemble the pieces together. Next, we have the circular saw. This tool is great for making straight cuts quickly and efficiently. It is especially useful when you are working in large pieces of wood, like when you are cutting out the panels for a wardrobe or a bed frame. The jigsaw is another fantastic tool. It's used for making curved and intricate cuts, allowing you to add unique designs to your furniture. For example, you might use a jigsaw to cut out a decorative headboard for a bed. The tape measure is an essential tool for accurate measurements. It ensures that your furniture pieces fit together perfectly. For instance, you would use a tape measure to make sure the sides of a dresser are equal in length. Wood glue and clamps are crucial for creating strong and durable joints. They make sure your furniture is strong and lasts a long time. You would use these when attaching the legs of a table to its tabletop. The router is a great tool for hollowing out areas in the face of a piece of wood. It's often used for making decorative edges on furniture pieces, like the edges of a wooden mirror frame or the top of a bedside table. Finally, we have the sander. This tool is used to smooth the surfaces and edges of your wood pieces, giving your furniture a polished look. After you have cut and assembled your pieces, you would use a sander to smooth out any rough edges or surfaces. And there you have it. Those are the essential tools for making bedroom furniture and a little insight into how they are used. Remember, the right tools can make your furniture making process much easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, healingdad.com, for more tips and tricks.